My name is Belle Yemofio, founder and creative director for Ellen Davis Interior Design. Well, I did all my schooling here in Ghana. After university, I lived in the UK briefly and eventually in the US, where I started my banking career. Continued my banking career until I finally transitioned to what I call my creative calling. I moved back home in 2010 and currently living in Accra, Ghana. My parents are both Ghanaians. My dad comes from the Ghana tribe and my mom is from the Fanti tribe. So I'm partly Ghana, partly Fanti. Coming from a family of creatives, my dad is an architect and my two brothers are also architects, and I have a sister who is a confectioner. So being around this kind of creative environment has really impacted who I am today. Building my own home and doing up the house, people come in, they love the interior, and I'm like, okay, so I can do this for a living. When I started the Ellen Davis Interior Design, I thought it's wise to do a little bit of marketing. So I used to do door-to-door sales and passing on flyers in the scorching sun. So looking back at that was really hard to do. Ellen Davis is a purely owned Ghanaian business, and we are based here in Accra, Ghana. We are into the interior design of all kinds of projects, residential and commercial. Usually our clientele ranges from middle income earners to high income earners, but we have a budget for everyone, including those of you in the diaspora. Cataloged by Ellen Davis Interior Design is the shopping and retail wing of the Ellen Davis Interior Design brand. We are into the shopping and retail of home decor accessories, including bedding, rugs, accent pieces and figurines, scents like diffusers and candles. We want to bring my picks to you, so this is what the brand is going to do. Being creative is inborn, inbuilt, and no one has my eye. So to come up with concepts, to supervise, and to do quality control becomes a bit overwhelming sometimes, especially if the project is a big one. But hey, I signed up for this, so it's okay. Corona has taught me to appreciate life. Seeing people die all over the world, I mean, it says to one that no amount of money can save you, and that life is a pure gift from God.
What is your most used Ghanaian word or phrase?
Charlie.
Favorite place in Ghana?
Safari Valley, Idukrum.
Favorite Ghanaian memory?
The first time I visited the Cape Coast Castle.
What is one thing you would export from Ghana if you could?
Chile.
If you could bring one superstar celebrity to Ghana for a quiz, who would that be and why?
If Michael Jackson was alive, I'll bring him back to Ghana for a week. The reason being, he's very talented, he's a genius. I don't think we have anybody like him. I love his songs.
If you won $1 million, what would you do with it?
I would apportion some of it to charity, and I would invest a portion of it. And of course, I'll give myself a treat. I'll probably go to the Maldives. The last investment I made was into Catalog by Ellen Davis Interior Design. Catalog by Ellen Davis Interior Design is the shopping and retail wing of the Ellen Davis Interior Design brand.
Wachi or Jollof?
Wachi.
Why Wachi?
That is not part of the question. No.
Why Wachi? Just make it a big
It's a quick fire age question, so you're not supposed to explain.